Hi, I'm Robert with A1 Carpet Man. I'm going to show you how to use a handheld vacuum. Shop-Vac is light. It's powerful. It can pick up water. It can pick up. It can get corners that you can't always get with a big vacuum. I like to use it just to get around the corners. After I get done laying a piece of carpet, I can pick up all the debris. It's bagless, has a filter in there. You have your tank here that'll hold the water in there, and this filter will take care of the water. It won't go up in there. I'm Robert again, and I just showed you how to use your Shop-Vac.